Reading Pioneers is proud to present Kindness is My Superpower by Alicia Ortego. I'm Lucas, just an ordinary boy. And this is Teddy, my favorite toy. I like to eat candy, jellies, and cakes. But sometimes I make some mistakes. You see, yesterday I was in a bad mood, so I did something very, very rude. I teased my friend Lisa for her glasses and made her cry throughout all of her classes. When I got home, I saw my mom. She put my hand into her gentle palm. She told me, "Honey, your friend Lisa is so sad. What you did was wrong and bad. You need to be kind," she also said. I knew I was wrong, so I bowed my head. "What is kindness?" I asked my mom for advice. She hugged me tightly, not once, but twice. Kindness is when you say a gentle word. You can be kind to your sister, a puppy, or a bird. You can be kind to someone who is angry and mad. You can be kind to someone who is unhappy and sad. Kindness is when you respect people older than you. Kindness is when you respect the younger ones, too. Kindness is when you help everyone in need. Kindness is whenever you do a good deed. I pondered on her words, and I couldn't sleep all night. I really wanted to be kind and genuinely polite. So I decided then and there, without any warning, that I will become kind in the morning. And in the morning, I was kind. It's true! When Mom made me breakfast, I said, "Thank you!" I took off my pajamas, which was soft and red. I put away my toys and made my own bed. On the bus, I showed up the best I could be. I offered the new boy to sit next to me. I helped him find his classroom, too. That was the least I could do. I said hello to all my friends. I even shared my crayons and pens. And then I saw Lisa with sadness in her eyes. I approached her slowly, wanting to apologize. "I'm sorry I teased you yesterday." Lisa smiled and said, "It's okay." I realized that kindness is super cool. So I was kind beyond just at school. On the playground, I patiently waited for my turn for the slide. And you know what? I felt so happy inside. I was patient and kind, not angry at all. And I found joy in helping a little boy find his lost ball. I picked up the trash, even though it wasn't mine. Kindness and good deeds made my heart shine. When I went with my mom to a nearby store, I helped the lady with the stroller by holding the door. And after we bought my favorite toy and treat, my mom and I helped the old lady cross the street. I continued to be kind with joy and glee. And at night, at home, my dad fell asleep in front of the TV. He was sleeping on the sofa instead of his bed. So I covered him with a blankie and kissed his forehead. I helped my little sister tie her shoelace. I was happy to see the smile beaming on her face. Being kind isn't really so hard to make. I went to give my lonely neighbor a piece of cake. I also helped him water the flowers. Kindness does have magical powers. I no longer do the mean things I had done before. I don't tease others, and I don't slam the door. I stopped being selfish, and I shared my toys. I don't shout around or make disrespectful noise. Kindness is something you can quickly learn when you give and ask for nothing in return. Helping others is the least you can do. If you are kind, kindness will come back to you. Acts of kindness. A random act of kindness is an unexpected act of kindness done by one person for another without any way to have predicted it. Doing acts of kindness is one of the best activities parents can do with their kids. It's a great way to bond as a family, a lot of fun, and teaches kids about compassion and service. Any act of kindness, no matter how big or small, can make a difference, especially when done intentionally. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading along with us to the story Kindness is a Superpower. Alicia Ortego, the wonderful author to this story, actually sent me this book and asked me to read it on this channel. And I am so grateful for this opportunity to read her story for all of you. Little Lucas in the book learned what kindness means and gathered a better understanding for others, accepted differences, and showed more empathy. The messages behind this story are very strong and a must-read for young children, even some adults. If you enjoyed this book and want to get yourself a copy, there is a link in the description box down below that you can click to get a digital version through Amazon. Additionally, if you have stories you would like to have read on this channel, like this one, you can PM me, contact@readingpioneers.com, or comment down below, and hopefully we can work together one day. If you enjoyed the reading, it would greatly be appreciated if you click that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. While you wait for the next upload, here are some other stories you may be interested from authors just like Miss Ortego. But this is going to be it for today's video. Thanks again everyone for watching, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing and safe day.